What's going on YouTube? Chris here. Want to bring you all an update on Litecoin, and this is going to be Litecoin on the 1 hour time frame. And Litecoin is doing something now that it hasn't done for about the last 10 days. So I wanted to put this on your radar, and I also like talking to my Litecoin family. I know people always hating on Litecoin, but guys, it's one coin that runs so hard when it really runs hard. And you just got to be prepared for it. You have to be ready for it. And many times you have to hold Litecoin because the moves are so explosive when you're in those uptrends. Remember, we always want to hodl when we're in uptrends if you're not going to be trading or swing trading or doing anything. And in downtrends, those macro downtrends, you'd rather be in cash or shorting the market. You never want to be holding through a bear market. And that's just my opinion, guys. I've been through both, like I've traded through a bear market, I've held through a bear market, and trading through a bear market is so much more effective than just hodling in a bear market. But what I wanted to do today was get into this. This is going to be on the 1 hour time frame. And what I like to use for myself, I'm going to let my Litecoin people in on this. I really like using the 30 EMA and the 60 moving average, which is going to be in green. The 30 is going to be in green and the 60 is going to be in purple. And what you'll notice here is typically we'll get these green X's when our 30 crosses over our 60, both to the upside, it's green, to the downside, it's red. And what I wanted to point out here is we just got a green cross, and that hasn't happened since August 14th. And what I did, I started backtracking, and I looked at the last green crosses. So the last time we hit a green cross, measuring from that area, we ended up going up roughly about 37% until we got our first downside cross. So that would have been a beautiful trade just in that area, and that's what I'm trying to show you guys here. So last time it ran 37%. Okay, then we had all these downside crosses here, and then this was August 14th, 2020. We had a green cross again, and that took us all the way up 15% until we had that red cross. And now what's happened is we had that green cross again. So what I was looking at here is measuring from that green cross going up a minimum of about 15% there. If we are able to make this move, and we had a bit of a double bottom here, and this is our bottom, and now this is the next little micro trend that's moving up, I would target up around that 69.73 would be the next target area, and that's at 15%. If we go beyond that, then we have some targets up around 79.95. But if Bitcoin's able to continue to move to the upside, and that's what it all depends on, what Bitcoin's going to do. If Bitcoin just starts dumping, this is going to be irrelevant. But if Bitcoin starts moving to the upside, this could be a really nice double bottom, the start of a new trend to try to go up there and make a higher high. That's what we're looking at. Just like down here, after we had this retracement, we had a bit of a double bottom here. Then we went up, higher high. Now we're trying to make that higher low, and then we want to try to go up and make that higher high. But typically when we do get these crosses, it's a good thing, and it can help push us up to the upside. Nothing in technical analysis is 100%. This is just something that I wanted to put out there for you guys, because typically we have a 10% more rise from that area when we get the cross to the upside or to the downside. So I wanted to bring that to you today, guys. Remember, this is on the 1 day time frame. If you get some from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.